Hey there, welcome to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina, I am the host, and typically somebody makes this video at the start of their YouTube career, but I'm about 250 videos in and I realized I never made the About Us. So who am I? I am a baby store owner in the East Bay, so I am in Dublin, California, close to San Francisco, close to Oakland, Stockton, Modesto, Central Valley, even as far all the way to Reno. We get customers, and then I get customers globally too, do lots of virtual consultations. So I have a baby store here in the East Bay. I work essentially by myself. It's kind of like a one-woman show. I do have a business partner that's here sometimes, which is very, very helpful. But this whole YouTube is dedicated to going over car seats, strollers, reviewing products, and helping people understand baby stuff. So if they want to come in, they have the language to be able to communicate with us what exactly they're looking for. Because this is such a large area and I'm here by myself, I do all of my stroller and car seat stuff through Consultations. So you can click on my website and go to stroller and car seat consultation and book that if you want time with me. But if you don't want to book a consultation, you just want to learn, please feel free to check out any of my videos. Please feel free to go ahead and hit like or subscribe. And of course, if you see something or learn about something here on my YouTube channel, please head over to my website and buy it directly from me. I don't get paid from the brands to do any of these videos. These are all my opinions, and you know what they say about opinions. Everybody's got them, but mine is the best. No. Again, take everything with a grain of salt. There's awesome products, there's terrible products, there's all kinds of products you can check out. And something else to be aware of is just because I review a product does not mean that I sell that product. So if you have any questions, please feel free to call the store. You can leave questions below, like, comment, subscribe, and again, you can check out our website, destinationbabykids.com, but feel free to check out any of our videos, and we look forward to seeing you down the road.